Hey guys, bring it in. Huddle up. It's time for another HP Storage Chalk Talk with HP Storage guy Calvin Zito.
I recently did a Chalk Talk I called the Burra Challenge. Of course, Burra is Backup, Recovery, and Archive. I talked about some issues you're facing with backup and recovery, and that the new style of IT demands a new approach to data protection and recovery. In this Chalk Talk, I want to share with you what's new with HP StoreOnce and how it helps address the Burra Challenge. One of the biggest issues you face is the volume, variety, and velocity of data. Lots of data coming from new sources and more of it. So let me jump into what's new with HP StoreOnce backup portfolio, and you'll see even greater performance, scalability, and flexibility. First, there's an end-to-end refresh of all StoreOnce systems leveraging our HP ProLiant Gen 8 server technology. The StoreOnce 6500, the multi-node high end of the portfolio, has even greater density and scalability. From a software features perspective, there's the new HP StoreOnce security package for data at rest encryption and secure erase. And we've extended our ecosystem for our API StoreOnce Catalyst by adding Oracle RMAN and Bridgehead, joining support we already had for HP Data Protector, Symantec Net Backup, and Backup Exec. Let me give you an overview of the portfolio. With StoreOnce VSA, you can turn virtually any server into a backup appliance. It runs on a VMware virtual machine, providing up to 10 terabytes of cost-effective backup. The StoreOnce 2700 delivers entry-level disk-based backup in a one-use system with up to 5.5 terabytes of usable capacity. The StoreOnce 4500 is designed for small to mid-sized data centers and has a replication target device for up to 24 remote and branch offices. This is a 2U 16 terabyte version as well as a 4U 36 terabyte model. The StoreOnce 4700 delivers a scalable 2U to 16U solution from 20 terabytes to 160 terabytes of usable capacity for larger data centers or regional offices. The StoreOnce 4900 is scalable from 7U to 12U and from 36 terabytes to 430 terabytes of usable capacity. It also provides a replication target device for up to 50 remote or branch offices. And the big daddy of them all is the HP StoreOnce 6500. These highly scale-out solutions offer from 72 terabytes to 1728 terabytes of usable capacity. I'll show you more about them in a moment. StoreOnce Catalyst is also integrated with our own HP Data Protector. This gives enterprise-class deduplication for true end-to-end scalability, from the edge to the data center. There's some distinct advantages that HP StoreOnce has based on a converged storage strategy. What are some of those? Rapid backup and recovery, with as much as 139 terabytes an hour for backup and 75 terabytes an hour for recovery. That's a big advantage over competitive offerings. Autonomic restart and no single points of failure. With the StoreOnce 6000 and multi-node systems, if a node fails, the backup doesn't fail. It just continues to run on another node. And with StoreOnce Catalyst, you have a distributed deduplication processing that improves performance as well as simplified management of data movement from a single management interface. To bring the point home, let's do a comparison with one of the industry leaders, EMC Data Domain, and specifically the Data Domain 990 with Boost. This is their flagship enterprise product, which by the way doesn't offer high availability, which we offer with our autonomic restart. We have 3 times the usable capacity. We back up 4.5 times faster and can recover 5 times faster. As a CIO or manager of infrastructure, wouldn't you want to be able to tell your business stakeholders you can recover data 5 times faster? And you can do it at a 57% lower cost per terabyte per hour. I've only touched on what we have with this family. You can learn more by going to hp.com/go/StoreOnce. You can find all my Chalk Talks on YouTube at hpstorage.me/HP Chalk Talks. And you can find me on Twitter as HP Storage Guy. Thanks for joining me on this HP Storage Chalk Talk. As always, you can find my blog at hp.com/storage/blog. Until next time, thanks for joining me.